Introducing Complete Streets Plus, the next generation of future-ready streets. Why Complete Streets? The Complete Streets movement has grown from a mission to support active transportation into a design and engineering discipline. The result? Improved mobility, economic, social, and environmental performance. But today, street design is at a literal and figurative crossroad. Emerging trends and technologies are increasing demand for street space. Unmet safety and access goals endure. Solving these challenges needs fresh ideas. We need to combine the best of traditional complete streets, plus new approaches to meet enduring challenges and emerging trends. Complete Streets Plus is built along three main elements: a planning foundation, planning elements, and implementation. Let's look at the planning foundation. The first and most important step is convening and vesting stakeholders. Second, we establish future readiness. At project kickoff, we explore impactful trends to include in plans and projects, including local change drivers, threats due to climate change, new technologies, and barriers to action. Third, we complete the foundation with assessment. WGI uses both tried and true and innovative methods to assess assets, data, and programs. By investing in technology, WGI can scan and document conditions in a fraction of the time. Next, we look at Complete Streets planning elements in three categories. The first of these elements is complete networks. Every street cannot be complete for every mode. Multimodal travel works best within networks featuring safe and convenient connections. Networks also include the digital infrastructure to support real-time information and adaptive management. The second planning element is your multimodal portfolio. Thanks to innovation and technology, the number and types of modes is growing rapidly. WGI is working with cities and technology companies to understand the opportunities and pressures that come with more modes vying for the same street, sidewalk, and overhead space. And the third element is roadway design. Our project team identifies priorities and finds options for street, curb, and sidewalk design for a variety of contexts. Once we have the plans in place, we turn to three areas of implementation. The first is data planning and management. The right data strategy can unlock value not only for multimodal transportation, but for economic vitality, access, and safety. Unlike traditional Complete Streets projects, implementation these days includes data collection, monitoring, and adaptive management. We've partnered with the mobility intelligence firms to offer street network monitoring, predictive analytics, and performance dashboards. The second aspect of implementation is plan alignment. Successful Complete Streets integrate complementary goals for health, equity, climate change, and economic development. As such, an important step for implementation is plan alignment at several scales to leverage funding, priorities, and schedules across multiple departments. Finally, all plans and projects require phasing and funding plans. Many Complete Streets projects begin as demonstrations that can scale over time into larger investments with thoughtful stakeholder engagement and planning. What's exciting about Complete Streets Plus? You get more than one street. In 2020, streets took on new roles as test beds and a forum for conversations, community action, and activity. You also get the programmable street. Imagine streets that can be readily programmed to serve multiple uses throughout the day, whether it's parking, pickup zones, deliveries, or public spaces. And you get the future-ready street. In addition to walkable design that has stood the test of time, imagine streets that meet the challenges of climate change and adapt to new technologies. At WGI, we have the complete team for complete streets, providing a full array of traditional roadway infrastructure services, plus new service lines to support adaptable, multimodal, multi-use streets that fit your economic, social, and mobility goals. Let's talk. Connect with Angela Biaggi, WGI's Director of Urban and Community Planning and Complete Streets Plus Program Manager. She can help you customize a Complete Streets Plus program that unlocks value from your streets, curbs, trails, and sidewalks.